Alright guys, welcome back to another trade recap. So in today's session, it was a very range bound session and I had a buy order on GJ. However, I then cancelled the order because the markets didn't follow the plan I had set out for that trade. And in this recap, I included a part where I talk about trading psychology, and whenever the market doesn't go as you had planned, you have to be able to react and do something about that. So be sure to watch the end of the stream because I talk a lot about trading psychology, and these little tips are going to massively help you out. And by me breaking down what to do when the markets are somewhat range bound, then that will help you guys to not take unnecessary losses when you're trying to trade choppy markets. So leave a like and enjoy today's recap. But yeah, we shorted GN on Monday. We took a lovely short position here. Then after it started to grab this low here, then we went boom, break even, and then noticed it was respecting this level, managed risk, and then ended up pushing up higher, breaking, retesting, going higher. And this is the reason you have to manage your positions from a neutral perspective. Just because I'm in shorts doesn't mean I'm married to shorts. I'm still opening my eyes to the fact that anything can happen, and I'm always moving on to the next trade. So this trade's done, risks off the table. Ignore it, move on. What else can we see? We can see price coming to level of support, broken, resistance, broken, support. So if anything, you should be looking for longs around this region, but this was late at night for me. But then we broke back above, retested yesterday, and boomed even higher. So yeah, we ran into 80 pips. It was only like I think we had around stop loss up was somewhere around there. So it was only like, it wasn't even 2%, so it wasn't worth securing, but it was worth getting risk off the table and potentially considering the other side. But yeah, a really nice play. And then yesterday on GN's closed way too bullish to want to short. We have grabbed these highs here, but we need more than just one confirmation. So other confirmation that you have all of this, look, we're trading above this resistance. So in order for me to want to short, today would have to close bearish to retest and then go low. Kind of got support down there. Look at that. I think anyone who's trading this right now is trying to go long. Stops somewhere down here. So if you look to get a stop hunt, you could look for some long. So what I would do is I would just set an alert down here, so you get notified of when price comes into this low. So once we get into these lows, then you can look to do something. But until then, I would let it do its thing for now. Alert's just gone off on AUD yen. See, look at that. Anyone who's trying to go long on AUD yen, I just mentioned this, guys, they got their stops below here. So what are they doing now? They're getting stop hunted. They're getting stopped out on AU before you could potentially look for the long. Create that false support. We got this low here, this low. Once we grab this low, this is where it could get interesting for potential runs up. It's not the most bullish close, but it's still a nice close. And that's what I mean. The 15-minute could close nice. This could just be an initial push down on this current 5-minute before then potentially flipping bullish. Stops would be what, 15 pips? If we start to throw some rejections here and we start to show signs that we could potentially push up, I'm going to consider this long trade on GJ. Okay, I'm putting this GJ buy trade in on the break of this previous 5-minute high here, 1632. The stop would be around 15 pips, which is very nice. But if this 5-minute doesn't drive, then the 15-minute isn't going to leave the nice wick that we want. So we want this 5-minute, which is the last 5-minute of the 15, to have a nice bullish push. So then the 15-minute leaves a nice wick. But if this next 5-minute then closes bearish, we'll cancel because the 15-minute could come and grab the 15-minute lows one more time before going higher. The order is in. Yeah, you said you don't put your TP. I used to think about it last year. My rational mind wanted to know more. Yes, I never, ever. I haven't set a physical TP for the past 3 years. We never set physical take profits. Because if you set physical take profits and you fully leave the markets, then you're never going to have anchors, you're never going to have hedges, and then you're always going to try and predict. You want to leave a little partial in the markets to then allow you to do something else. Completely risk-free. If you have a nice risk to reward and then price is just pushing massively in your favor and you're getting some nice momentum, you're just limiting the profits that you can potentially have. If you don't set a physical take profit, then you adjust your profit based off alerts. That doesn't mean I don't take profits and I don't take partials. I take partials off as my alerts go off, which I set in potential key levels. Okay, I'm canceling GJ. GJ 5-minute didn't react, so I don't want to trade it. Now we just wait for a little bit more. Because if this 5-minute on GJ closes bearish, then the 15-minute is probably just going to close bearish as well. And I don't want to look for short setups because I would have to be managing and securing the second we come into there. And that's what, 8 pips. It's not worth it. Yeah, strong 5-minute close, 15 minutes still bearish. Trading has been stressing me out a lot lately. Getting headaches, maybe even a burnout. Not even patient anymore. Yeah, man, you need to just take a break. Don't force it. And trading shouldn't be stressful. I mean, it will be stressful, but if you're getting stressed all the time and trading off of that stress, then yeah, you need to take a break, man. Remember, I said this in one of my Instagram reels, that there's 2 types of capital in trading. You have monetary capital and you got mental capital. Trying to trade ranges like this isn't worth risking your mental capital. Trying to trade ranges like this isn't worth risking your mental capital. You need to keep your mind right and your P&L right, so whenever you do get the right opportunity and the right breakouts, you're not chasing all the shit trades that you previously took. You've stayed patient, you wait for the nice breakouts, and then you take the trades when they break out nicely. But if you're trying to trade price action like this, is just very, very up and down, then you're forcing too much. Trust the plan and know when to trade and know when not to trade. Most retails fail because they can't sit on their hand. We literally get paid to wait.